Friends, once again I would like to welcome you all in my traveling channel #GipsyMusafir113। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि हम लोग अभी मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ओपनिंग सेरेमनी से बाहर निकले हुए हैं और मेरे साथ यहाँ पर बहुत ही एक ब्यूटीफुल मैम है, गीतांजलि मैम, और मैं उनका स्वागत करता हूँ मैम हमारे चैनल में।
थैंक यू सो मच
मैम प्लीज़ अपने बारे में बताइए। और
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं गीतांजलि हूँ और मैं यहाँ पे शैलेश शेट्टी के साथ काम करती हूँ। और क्या बताऊँ
मैम अपने बारे में मैं चाहता हूँ कि लोग जाने कि अभी तक आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा, आप लोग जो आपको वर्किंग है।
मैंने हाल ही में मिस्टर शैलेश शेट्टी के साथ काम करना शुरू किया है एंड आई हेल्प देम विद द स्क्रिप्टिंग एंड रीडिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द स्क्रिप्ट्स। और ये मेरा सफ़र है अभी तक का एंड आई एम वेरी न्यू टू दिस फील्ड राइट नाउ एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट MIF to 2020 which I have attended, and this is really amazing. The whole cultural ceremony which it got started with, it's really amazing and mesmerizing that India has a lot of different cultures and everyone need to explore every part of it. And this really give the other international people who came here from all the way from their country to just visit MIF 2020 for what you call
मैम जैसे भी आपने बताया कि आप स्क्रिप्टिंग में वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, तो आपने क्या किया और आपको कैसे, मतलब थोड़ा सा
actually abhi there are some films which haven't released yet, but they are under editing and everything. So once they are finished, we can definitely think about releasing the name and everything. We are still processing.
मैम मैं ये भी जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि आप सर को हेल्प करते हैं, तो कोई भी जब नया कोई अगर स्क्रिप्टिंग में आना चाहे, फिल्म मेकिंग में, स्क्रीन प्ले में आए, तो उनके लिए आप क्या गाइडेंस देंगे और आप क्या तैयारी करते रहे हैं, मतलब इस टाइप से
जो जिन्हें भी वो स्क्रिप्टिंग या ट्रांसलेशन करना है, आई रियली सजेस्ट देम टू बी अ वेल वर्स्ड विद व्हाट दे हैव स्टडीड एंड they should be well read about everything. They should know, the person should not always the person always doesn't know everything about everything, but they should always know something about everything, because that's gonna help you to just basic, and then you can go and move forward to just do the scripting, because you need to read a lot of books, different culture, different background. You need to understand the concept, you need to understand the theme of the script. So once you are well versed, when you know what idea is all about, then you can do a lot of things differently, and that's what I suggest. So reading is a very big base for the scripting. Apart from that, I don't think there is a lot of things which you need to do.
Ma'am, right now our very new fraternity has come, and new genre we are seeing about the movie. What is your idea about that? About the new genre, about the new director? The upcoming directors are coming with a new script, new subject, and right now people are also accepting the scripts also, which they might not have accepted a decade before. So what is your idea about that?
What I see from my point of view, the film industry of the Indian film industry has been evolved, like from Raj Kapoor films. It started evolved actually. The modernization film modernization has been from there, and people are really accepting broad-minded projects, and they see things very differently these days, and they are trying to experiment at different subject topics and try to make other people understand what world is going towards right now. So the film is a picture, like, as everyone know about it, like film generally reciprocate those things which are already happening in their surrounding or in a society. So it's just like a mirror image of it, with a different name and different characters.
I mean, what is your idea about the new directors, exactly how they are presenting exactly the script, because you are into the scripting? So exactly what is the role of the writer and the director on that particular script, if mutual understanding exactly about that?
Writer and script.
Yeah.
Script is basically what I see is a very different thing, because a writer writes script and the script editor edits it, but then it should be always a mutual understanding, because a scripter doesn't know the writer's concept, so it should be very thorough with what he is trying to portray
Ma'am, one thing also we see that the writer is not getting that much of remuneration on comparison to the director. Exactly. So
That's I no comments for that.
Okay. Ma'am, one more thing I would like to ask you that regarding the budgeting is ma'am, please.
Yeah, please, join.
Yeah, I would like to welcome. We have
Miss
got
Gauri, she is a great
Gauri.
singer.
ma'am. Please share something about yourself first, ma'am, and then we will proceed. Yeah.
I am a singer and I am very pleased to be associated with this event today. And there are very eminent people have come today to inaugurate this particular event today. And we are very happy and very pleased to be a part of this event today.
Ma'am, as you told that you are a singer, so please tell me about the project you have completed so that people would come to know. And I would like to tell you that you are in our traveling channel hashtag Gypsy Musafir 113 in association with hashtag Rausar113. It is a traveling channel in YouTube. People would come to know about your projects, please, ma'am.
I'm a small singer
Okay.
and not a very big
Ma'am, but anything.
celebrity or something
The
like that.
saplings are going to be a very large tree. So first of all, we have to start the dirt. Anyhow, that is the thing.
No, a very I'm learning at present, and even I'm I have done exams in Shastriya music, Shastriya Sangeet. Okay, and continuing the studies further.
And ma'am, as you told that you are a singer, so what are your, if somebody wants to be a singer, please share some tips so that they would start their career in some film industry, something like that.
The thing is, we should always follow the Shastriya Sangeet, to be a good singer. The Shastriya Sangeet will always, help you in, to have success in your career.
Okay, and then what are the right now the quality of music? What do you think right now the music is going on comparison to the music which we used to see before 3 decades or in the early 90s, something like that? So अभी तक मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि क्या चेंजेस आए, आप क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं, कैसा है अभी, कैसे पहले से कितना अच्छा, मतलब थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, there is a lot of change has happened during the past 30-40 years, as we can see, and a lot of differences and changes have we can see in the earlier singers and today's singers. So basically, after all, the practice makes the difference, and of course the today's young talent is also very very welcoming and very refreshing.
What is your idea about the reality shows are going on? इतने मतलब लोग कहाँ से आते हैं, इतना मेहनत करके they are coming across kilometer, they are covering from a very large distance actually. तो रियलिटी शो कितना हद तक किसी सिंगर के लिए बेनिफिशियल है आपके हिसाब से, कैसा है?
Reality show is a very helpful and very creative platform for the upcoming artists, all the artists, including singers, dancers. So basically, it provides this
Nice platform.
Yeah, start of the career to all the artists.
Who is your favorite singer and male and female both?
Asha Bhosle, Kavita Subramaniam.
Okay. Male में मैम?
In males, it is Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar.
एंड मैम और क्या टिप्स देंगे जो नए आना चाहते हैं इंडस्ट्री में? इंडस्ट्री के बारे में क्या आपका है? क्योंकि लोग समझते हैं कि इंडस्ट्री थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, कोई समझते थोड़ा इजी है, और काफ़ी ये तो रिस्की पार्ट है ये बिजनेस जो है, मतलब बॉलीवुड बिजनेस तो काफ़ी रिस्की है. तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या है? लोग कैसे आगे आएंगे जब इस टाइप का अगर आ रहा है?
I am basically not from the films background or films area. I am a small artist, small singer.
मैंने ये आपसे
But
इसलिए पूछा क्योंकि आप सिंगर हैं, तो मतलब अभी हम लोग फिल्म की एक पार्ट है सिंगिंग, जो है वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट
Right.
सिंगिंग।
Right.
तो इट इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड, मतलब बिना सिंगिंग के होना नहीं है फिल्म में, ठीक है। तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि कैसे एंकरेज करें उनको, क्योंकि कहीं कहीं जैसे हमने एक फिल्म देखी थी जहाँ पर पेरेंट्स वहाँ पर कोई मदर है, जहाँ सपोर्ट कर रही है सिंगर्स के लिए, कोई है जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए मैं कह रहा हूँ कि कैसे मतलब उनको एंकरेज कैसे करें ताकि पेरेंट्स को भी लगे कि बहुत अच्छा इंडस्ट्री है ये, और वो भी हेल्प करें, वो मतलब सपोर्ट करें उनको आने के लिए।
yeah, this is also one of the creative art and creative field, you know, to make the career, and it is very lucrative career at present as on today. So the you know the small students or small the school going childrens, you know, if their talent and their skill is supporting to any kind of such performing arts, then definitely their parents should support their children to, you know, to go ahead in this particular field.
अच्छा मैम, ये मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल है, मैं बस क्लोजिंग से पहले मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ, अभी 5 दिन फिल्म आने वाला, तो क्या आप 5 दिन फिल्म देखने के लिए आप पूरा प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, और कौन सी फिल्म देखना चाह रहे हैं आप?
See, basically there are various you know, films are, you know, on different topics. So as per our likings, we can have preference to, you know, see this particular movie, or as according to our time schedule we can adjust. And
तो दोस्तों, यहाँ पर हमारे साथ आपने देखा गौरी मैम थे, और गीतांजलि मैम ने बहुत अच्छा टिप दिया, हमें इंटरव्यू दिया मुंबई इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, और मैं बहुत ही इनका थैंक्स करता हूँ अपना प्रेशियस टाइम देने के लिए। और आप हमारा ट्रैवलिंग चैनल देख रहे हैं #GCMusafir 113। गौरी मैम और गीतांजलि मैम को मैं उनके बेहतर फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ मैम।
Thank you very much.
और आप बिल्कुल बहुत आगे जाएँ। थैंक यू।
thank you.